Okay, so good to have you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you create new lines. Okay, so in our previous lesson, we spoke about strings, and we said a string is just a collection of characters that are surrounded by quotation marks. They can be double quotation marks or single quotation marks. So let me jump into the text editor and show you how you can create new lines. Okay, so you have a number of options. The first one, let's say I want to print, remember this is a string, so always remember to put quotation marks. They can be double or single quotation marks. So let's say 1, 2, 3, just like that. This is a string. So if I am to run this, you will see this appears on one line. And so let's say I want this on multiple lines, like 1 on its own line, 2 on its own line, and then 3 on its own line. So how do I achieve that? So the way we do it in Python is, the first way you could do it is using multiple print statements. So instead of using one print statement, I would have to remove this one and then obviously create other print statements and then write 2 and then 3 down here. Okay, if I run this, you see the result down here. I have 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 lines of text. Okay, this is one way. All right, the second way is this new line character. They talk about here, so I'm going to show you how you use it. All right, so the way you use the new line character is, let me do away with this and take back this 1, 2, and then 3 here. Okay, so if I'm to run this, is now back to the one line. So I want to put these on different lines. So we use the new line character. So the way we use it, we use \n before the information that you want to appear on a different line. So \n. So in this case, 2 is going to appear on its own line, and then 3 is going to appear on its own line. Right. So if I run these, you see, boom, I have the same result. Okay, 2 is kind of, if I take it back like this, without the space, run it again, you see 1, 2, 3, just like that. So this is the second way you can create, new lines. The first one obviously is used different print statements, and then the second one is using the \n. Okay, the third one. Okay, but before we get onto the third one, let's answer this question here. Let's try and answer this question. Which of the following options results in exactly 2 lines? 2 lines is just the first line, the second line. So 1\n. So which one has got 1\n? This one obviously will create 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. This one will create just 1 line, this one will create just 1 line, and this one obviously will create 2 lines. So hello and then \n world. So if we check it out, you will see we have 2 lines. Okay, continue. All right, new lines can also be created by using 3 quotes. I haven't spoken about 3 quotation marks. I've been talking about double or single quotation marks, but you can also create new lines by using 3 quotation marks. So let's do it in this example. Right, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to put in 3 quotation marks, 2, 3 here, and then here 2, 3. So now it's 3 quotation marks. So if I put this on its own line, and then this one, let me see, and then this one on its own line like this, if I run this, you see down here, now 1 is on its line, its own line, 2 and 3 on its own line. So let me just take this back and then take this back and save this, and then you see now I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is another way of putting text on different lines. So as you guys can see, I've created new lines with 3 ways. The first way is using multiple print statements. The second way is using the new line character, which is \n. And the third way is to use 3 quotation marks, 3 opening quotes and 3 closing quotes. Okay, so back to our exercise here. Continue. How many lines will the following code output? So remember, we have print I, which creates its own line, and then we have another print with 3 chords, but this time they have 1, 2, 3 lines. So 1, 2, 3 plus 1, which is 4. So I'll choose 4, check it out, and then boom, we have the answer. Alright, so that's it for today. I'll see you in our next video. In our next lesson, we're going to look at string operations. Alright, so thank you for your time. I hope to see you on the next video. For now, I'm out. Bye bye.